Hello friend, wish you a happy learning. Today in this video we'll discuss how to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. First of all, I'm importing an Excel data source. That's why I have selected Microsoft Excel. My file name is team at Superstore. I'll be working on orders dataset, which includes almost everything about the orders. It has order ID, also which products are being ordered, what customer. There are numeric fields as well. Let's dive into the dashboard. So it's sheet 1. First, I'll make it entire view. We are renaming the sheet as waterfall chart. You can name it whatever you feel like. In waterfall chart, firstly, it is a combination of line graph and bar graph both. So I'll be creating a waterfall for subcategories. We'll keep subcategories in columns and then sales and rows. This has created a bar chart. Now I don't want sum of sales, rather a quick table calculation and running total. Gradually you can see it's increasing. Same stuff, let's keep in the label as well, sum of sales. And now, so if you make this as gain chart, gain bar, you see here it's kind of a process of creating a waterfall chart, but still it's not. Now, as a layman process, you would think, okay, let's keep sum of sales in the size, and this has created a waterfall chart. But actually, it hasn't. This is not which has to go in size. You see, well, it is showing you an improvement in the running total of sales, but this is not a waterfall chart. So let's remove this rollback. We'll remove this from the sales. Yeah. Now I'm creating a calculated field just for the size. Okay. So I'll name it size sales. Sorry for the spellings. Yeah. Sales, and I want negative of sales. So let's keep this in size and see what it's. Now you are able to see the size is showing you exactly how much the rise has happened based on the comparison of before. So if you see from this to this, the rise is very less. So only that particular part is having in the size. This is the waterfall chart. Quick tips from the tooltip, we can see there is a negative sales showing which we don't want. So we'll edit the tooltip, we'll remove it. If you want in the label, you can, instead of keeping a quick calculation, you can keep normal sales. So normal sum of sales. Okay. Again, the tooltip would have been changed. We want normal sales and not running sales. Yep. Little more tip over here. Let's keep a color, gradient color, or you can color with subcategory also. Now, what to color? Wait. Just control click and then drag and drop. This is not giving insight. Sum of sales is just the gradient sales. The bigger picture of subcategories, category, if you do that, still the insights are not coming. What will actually make things change is if you sort by category. So all the furniture part will come together, office supplies will be together, and technology will be together. Then it makes sense. But for my sake, I'm keeping sum of sales in the column. Here my work is done. We can also format it and remove the lines, grid lines. So here we are presenting profit by subcategory. Okay, so let me quickly summarize. There is a thin line of difference between gain bar chart and waterfall chart, which is the size you are using for gain bar and waterfall. In waterfall, your size reflects the difference between a previous bar and the current bar, whereas in gain bar, it is just about the order how you are presenting it. Moreover, for waterfall chart, there are two more steps which I did. Other than size, is the gain bar selection in the marks card, and also the colors. So in colors, what you are reflecting is totally about what level of understanding you have with your data. With that, I end my video, and you can let me know in comments if you have any doubts or confusion on this topic, you would want more details on any of these subtopics, or is there anything going on in your mind about this taboo visuals. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next. Till then, happy learning.